All right, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is me speaking. I'm Ravi. I'm 29 years old. I just reached my 29th last week. Today, the 13th of January, 2023. Fresh start of the new year, and I think somehow I might do something very how do we say interesting, not interesting, but something that I never done before. So hopefully, after this is recorded, I can publish it on my YouTube channel and then see how that goes from there. Because I just don't want to feel like um, doing the same old shit all the time. So I'm gonna journal my journey and then see how it will go. All right. So yesterday, which was the 12th of January 2023, I took I think five trades with the EJ pair, no EJ, sorry, JPY pair, yen pairs, because it was I'm gonna show you. Wait a minute. Um, Here we go. All right. So yesterday the price was somewhere here. Let me do the replay mode. Where is it? Come on, man. All right. So this was yesterday, okay, and this is the 4H, and then it closed around three, but I did not get up early to see the price moving. So at 7 open, which closed at 11, the price was this like this, okay. So very big bearish candle, all right. And you can see from the trends, the overall trend is very down. I can put a trend line on here. It's gonna be boring, but I know this is clear an up or downtrend, all right. But unfortunately, price has reached this major key level over here. This is called a major key level, okay. And then what's happened next is that through to the all right, what's this? With the two candle theory that I've been backtesting for over a year already, and deep down surely know that it works. Um, I know that when the candle closes bearish or bullish, the likelihood of that price continuing from that candle close is very high. But in this case, it closed bearish into a major key level, so price might somehow react from that as well. But you just have to see with the how do we say with um, the entry, because I use 4H and 15-minute entry. So if the entry is really good and you can understand it, I think it's a good chance that you can take a trade. Okay. So in this case, I after seeing this close, I went down to 15 minutes. All right. No, no, no. First, I will mark my last low. All right. Mark the candle of the 4H. Okay. Mostly they will mark like this, the low and the high, and as well as the let's say 15-minute. Oh, sorry, 50-minute, 50% retracement. Okay. But I know this is not usually something I do. I would just put on this first one because that clearly show me the last 4H close, okay? But if you want to do this to see the retracement, it can also be very helpful. But I did not do that. I don't do that mostly. All right. On the 15 minute, you can see here what is price doing. Price reacting from this level, okay? This level, all right? It looked like a double pop. Sorry. It looked like a double bottom, right? But so using this entry in here, you can see this is probably very rangy, okay, with this level two level. But you can also see that this is a very strong level that price, you know, failed to break out of, all right? So what I'm gonna do? Just wait, baby, and then wait for what? Maybe for breakout, all right? Breakout what? Breakout of this level. So this is my trade. This was my trade actually yesterday. So what I did was I wait for another 15 minutes to close. All right, no threat, no threat, and there we go. This was it. This was the very trade that I took yesterday. Okay, and then it closed this bullish, and I know that price already broke out of this last key level on the 15. We're not talking about the 4H, but this is for entry. So I'm going to 15. Okay, and then it was 25 pip. I think I should have gone to 30 pips because price can be very volatile. But I don't know. I just put with 25, which was exactly why it was taken out. All right, just then that's it. Just let it play out. It was ranging a little bit after my entry, not a little bit. I think 1 or 2 hours. But you see, the problem with me was that I put only 25, which was right away taken out by the stop loss. You see, it was very freaking unfortunate. Very freaking unfortunate. But it is what it is, and just write that after that. Right. Actually, even if it was 30, I was still taken out. But seeing the kind of price action, I don't know what to do with it. Seriously, so it was a loss, very unfortunate loss. But I accept it. It is what it is. Here, if I was more during this price action, I would have gone back to this sorry, to sell this one. Okay, this time it's gonna be 30, and then I know the trade will play out to be a winner, but you know it is what it is. Normally I would go from 1 to 4. So if I risk um 25, I like to see my trade winning 100. So this was it. I think this was a very easy trade, but what was not easy was the fact that I was taken out very early. And yeah, I know it is what it is. Okay, whatever. Um, it was not the one pair that I took yesterday. Actually, four pairs. No, five pairs. Five of them, because every one of them close similarly the same. And I think it's just my very bad habit to trade several different pairs at the same time and risking crazy amount of money, because I know sometimes you don't really know which pair is weak or which pair is strong. So if you take all of them, maybe the chance of you winning and losing can be equalized. You know what I mean? Let me show you. All right. So this was yesterday as well with AJ. Sorry, AJ. Yeah, that was AJ. And then I'm gonna put a replay move. Mhm. Yep. This was actually the same exact same scenario, same thread that it played out yesterday. Price broke, not broke, sorry. Price closed very bearish into the key major level over here, all right? But you can put this one as well, just to see where it closed. And then 15 minute, all right? You can see that the last forehead closed with the 15 minute over here. It also had a very simple, a very understandable, um, what do you say, key level over here. So you have no trade with this. You don't know if it's gonna break it or not. If it breaks, maybe that's a good trade. That's what I did. I just waited for the price to break. All right, very simple, right? All right, price goes up with the bearish indecision, and then boom, you see big bearish candle closed by breaking this brick wall, not brick wall, sorry, that make it a key level. All right, so with that being said, I just put on the trade over here. It was 20 pip loss, but I don't know what's wrong with me was back then. I was so fucking emotional, and I did not manage this trade properly because I got several position opening. So this trade, I think I moved my stop loss um around here. which is no around here or around here. I think it was a stupid trade. I didn't even manage it properly. That's why if I did it, it would have been a win. You see, right? Actually started ranging, but it's not so much that it came to take me out at 20 pip stop loss. All right, I think I was just stupidly like this. 12. Like shit, man. What the fuck I was doing? Later on, price just went down, and then, for instance, if I took the this trade and have a proper stop loss 20, I would have already got out at BE over here. Here. Just make sure that you go break even at 1 to 1. All right, and then set your profit target to 1 to 4. No, that's 800. All right. This would have been a trade. You see, if I just allow it to play out and go with the flow, it would have been a very fucking great trade. I did not take stop out. Sorry, I did not get taken out. My stop was saved. I got BE, and I did not, have the need to secure the profit or to manually close the trade or micromanage the trade. So this is actually what happened. It was a very fucking beautiful trade, but I was just dumb, stupid, arrogant, and fucking emotional. This is something I've been trying to, um, how do we say, trying to learn not to do those shit again because it's really, this is the only thing, not this is, but these are the only thing that have been keeping me very fucking poor, fucking broke, and then I hate the fucking life. It's great, but I'm not ungrateful, but I know I can and I'm capable of achieving more than this. That's why whatever it is. All right, like I said earlier, I took 5 trades with a yen pairs, and then this was the trade, and also with this one as well. It was also the trade. Actually, it was with EJ. It was very, very beautiful because you can see here. Um, let me show you here. Price reacted from this major key level on a daily high. I did not take advantage of that, and then finally it closed very bearish over here. Looking to the left, I don't think there's a very much traffic. I think this can be used as a key level, but I'm not really concerned with this one because uh, yeah, I did not see it actually yesterday. So I just went down to 15 minutes, wait for the same thing. Every one of them close the same thing, almost similarly the same. Okay, with the pairs, it has very, when it moves the same. All right. So we got this level and price react from this. I did not like this price accent, and I did not want this entry either. So I just went down to 15 and then wait for it to break out. Okay, here and finally it broke out. All right, and this was also 15 25 stop loss, but it was very unfortunate because after my entry, price came and took me out. What happened? Let's play with this. What happened if I play with 30? I think it might be a win, but let's check it out. Um, if I took it with a 30 pip stop loss, damn it, I know it would have been a big, beautiful. Okay, even if it 30, it's gonna be 12, all right? I think it's still a good, reasonable on 1 to 4, but let's check it out. Yeah, it is fucking 1 to 4. Who knows, bro? I think my stop loss at 25 was very safe. Um, But yeah, it is what it is. It was very unfortunate, but I know. 1 to 8. All right. The same thing with this one. Pound JPY. Everything is very the same. Everything is the same. Not very the same, but All of them play the same structure, the same scenario, and this was actually what happened yesterday. This is a major key level, and price closed straight into this key level, and I just went down to 15 minute. Exact same thing. Oh, here, wait, close bullish, bearish, beautiful. Get entry, only 25 pip stop loss. I think I couldn't survive with this, even if it would have been 30 stop loss. Yeah, it's fine. Whatever it is, you know, but it's still the same thing. It would have been a win if it wasn't very volatile, but and then this pair went down to eternity. It would have been like 1 to 8 or something, but I never achieved that kind of results. But you can see here, this is actually the price. Last but not least, oh my fucking god, shit. Last but not least, all right, it was with NJ Kiwi. All right, I did not see any traffic to the lab except over here, but it was not very concerning me. So I took a trade, the same thing. All right, you see this one? It's not broken out yet. Down, down. But this one, suddenly if you see like big bearish engulfing candle like this, and it broke into no, it's not broke, but it closed into the major key level on that time frame. I think the likelihood of it breaking now is very very strong, very high. So I just took a trade over here, 20 pip. But what happened with this trade was the fact that I got so fucking emotional again. Oh, sorry, that was very loud. And then closed the trade manually. It was like this close around here. Stupid, stupid. Why did I just trade knowing that I would be doing dumb shit and not achieving financial freedom that I've been dreaming and working toward. This would have been a beautiful, wonderful, and the fuck. If I had allowed this to play it out, I would have covered all the losses of the three or the four trade of the last four trade, because you can see here it's just beautiful. Shit, man. God damn it. All right, that's all. That's it. Bye.